Hello everyone, my name is Carol and welcome aboard to Knitting on the Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase multiple stitches at the edge of your knitting using the E-wrap and the double E-wrap casting on method. So let's get to it. For this sample, I have cast on 7 stitches and I would like to increase 4 additional stitches on the edge of the knitting. The first method, I'm going to use the E-wrap. And you're ready to continue knitting. For the second method, I'm going to use a double E-wrap. Make sure that your latches are open. Because we're increasing on the edge of the sample, the first stitch will be an E-wrap. And then we can move on to the double E-wrap. Bring forward your needles into E position and you can carry on with your knitting. This is the sample increase from the purl side, and down here we have the E-wrap cast on, and over here the double E-wrap. And this is the sample from the stockinette stitch side. If you're not familiar with the E-wrap or the double E-wrap casting on method, you can click on the red button in the corner of the screen. It's going to take you straight to my channel where you can browse around. Thank you for watching Knitting on the Hook. Bye for now.